How to send money from UK to Italy step-by-step guide. To send money from the UK to Italy, you will need to follow these steps. First, you need to determine the purpose of the transfer and the amount you want to send. This will help you choose the best method for your needs. You have several options to send money from the UK to Italy, including bank transfer, online money transfer services, and money transfer operators. Bank transfers are a traditional method but can be expensive and slow. Online money transfer services such as TransferWise, PayPal, and WorldRemit offer faster and cheaper transactions. Money transfer operators like Western Union and MoneyGram allow recipients to collect cash from a physical location. Choose a method that suits your needs and budget. Once you have chosen a method, you will need to gather the necessary information. This typically includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account details if you are sending money directly to their bank account. You will also need to provide your own identification and payment information. Create an account with your chosen provider if you do not already have one. Verify your account by providing the required identification documents. This is a standard procedure to prevent money laundering and ensure the security of your transaction. Enter the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. Review the transaction details, including the exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time. Pay for the transaction using your chosen payment method, such as a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Once the transaction is complete, you will receive a confirmation and the recipient will be notified that the money is on its way. The delivery time will depend on the method you chose and the speed of the transaction. Bank transfers can take several days, while online money transfer services can deliver the funds in minutes. It is essential to compare the fees and exchange rates of different providers to get the best deal. Look for providers that offer competitive exchange rates and low fees. Additionally, consider the security and reputation of the provider. Make sure they are regulated by the relevant authorities and have a good track record of customer service. By following these steps and considering your options carefully, you can send money from the UK to Italy quickly, securely, and at a low cost. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your chosen provider and understand any fees or charges that may apply. This will help you avoid any unexpected costs and ensure a smooth transaction.